We're here at SRT Auto Works, and we have Tommy. He's going to talk to us about the famous MDS theory.
So right here we got a bad cam from 6.4 or 5.7. So basically when these lifters go bad for the MDS, these bearings in here, they start locking up and this lifter stops spinning, so it's just stuck metal to metal until it grinds all the way through. So right here you got like some early stages, just a little bit, but right here this is just terrible, just chewed all through the metal. So all this is going into your engine, into your bearings in your engine. At this one, the engine's already toast by this point.
So what's going on with this scat right here?
So this one is in the early stages. He's in to get a new cam and lifters. So for something like this, we upgrade the cam. We're going to do a comp 270 cam, get some good power out of it, do some Hellcat non-MDS lifters so this issue doesn't happen again. Make sure there's no more eco mode. This one we just finished right here. We just got the new cam, lifters, went ahead and did some Cook's headers on it. This one, he went ahead and did it before the issue happened. He's got 21,000 miles on it. He went ahead and did the MDS delete, Hellcat lifters, cam, so he doesn't have this issue. But there's other customers that come in and they're already waited too late to do it. So you kind of want to get it the second you hear it, or do it before. So this guy has nothing to worry about with this car after that.
How many miles do you give it?
Normally around 50,000.
50,000 when you got to start?
At least 50, definitely by the time you get to 80.
There you go. If you own a RT or a Scat Pack with MDS, get that delete before it's too late. Here at SRT Auto Works, I can help you guys out.